Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm just gonna be doing an sort of like an Afro tech or Afro house song. What is Afro house? I don't really know. I just know what it sounds like. Well, I know that it used to be different back in the day and it's changed a little bit. And I'll put it on the screen. If you look at like what the kind of music you find in Apple, Africa Top Dance, it's not your typical kind of house because it's quite high tempo. Not like deep houses as well. It's slightly different, but it's somewhere in between. So I just try to show you some of the elements I used to make this particular song, and maybe you might be able to benefit from it in your own productions. So that's pretty much it. You will notice a few things that I built this song on. For number one, just keeping it simple, nothing complicated, just simple melodies. You don't even have to overthink them. Then just taking off a few things from the couple. Just have a very almost dramatic intro, and then go into the song. So it's all about the build up more than just the drop. So work on your build up, lots of effects and build ups and rises and things like that. And then as well, do the same thing in the second part of the song. So sometimes you can reserve specific drums for one part or use them in another. But the most important thing is that you just take your time to build everything up. This is not like, obviously if I had more time, I would do more work on this, but it's just a place to start off. But basically, as you can see from my drum pattern, I'm not using a conventional house drum pattern because I'm just using a simple drum pattern. So for the most part, I'm using the synths to drive the energy of the drums. That makes it can make your life way easier. So use the synths to drive your energy of your drums. Don't rely too much on the drums, but just let the drums be there, and or use a lot of automations on your sounds to try and get more energy out of your sounds and put more movement into the beat. And you want to keep your tempos between 118. I think some people go as high as 125, 126. With that said, I'm going to play the song, and I hope you guys can subscribe as well. Let me know what you think in the comments.